And let's just start here and come over here and just highlight what we want to remove. And just like that, it's done. How easy was that? All right, welcome to the channel. Got this shot of Onyx, and immediately what I noticed now that I did not notice when we were shooting was the hair tie on the wrist right here. So we're going to tell you how to remove that, hopefully pretty easily in Photoshop. There's different tools you can use to accomplish the same thing in Photoshop. I could, come over here and use the spot healing brush tool. I could get maybe a little more complicated and use the patch tool, but today I think what we'll try is the remove tool. So that's this one here. If you see the healing brush tool, it's in the remove right there, right below it. So let's just zoom in. I'm going to come over here. I've got the background layer. I'm going to hit a Control J. That duplicates the layer directly beneath it, and that gives me a new blank layer to work with. So I'll use the right bracket key just to make this a little bit larger. And let's just start here and come over here and just highlight what we want to remove. And just like that, it's done. How easy was that? So it would have been easier if I would have been more of an eagle eye and told her to remove it when we were doing the shoot, right? Rookie mistake. I admit it. It happens. So that's shot number one. What about this one? Well, let's try it again. Maybe we got lucky that time. Let's just see what this one does. I'm just going to do it on the background layer here, guys. And just for the sake of example, no new layer there, but it works just the same. We can save that one, right? So let's come over to this one. We'll zoom in a little bit. Could be a little bit more difficult. We got a little bit more going on here, right? So let's just do that. And boom, it's gone just like that. Man, this is so easy. And then do we have one here? Yep. So we have one here, and then we have the indentation of, where it was previously. So that looks good. And then let's just see if we can get that. Oh, so easy. We'll save that one. And then the last shot in the set, we've got it up here. Again, the indentation of where it was, and then this right here. So let's start with this one, just like that. Not as good there. We've got, looks like, I don't know, it's kind of shadowy. It's not bad. It's thinking about this one a little bit more. And just like that, that's a little bit better. So I had to do a couple swipes there to get that one. But just like that, in just, couple minutes here, I've removed the hair tie from 5 shots in just a couple minutes here. And it was that easy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Give me a like, give me a subscribe if you like this kind of content. Leave me a comment if you have any suggestions, better ways to do things. I'm pretty good with Photoshop, but I'm not the greatest, right? So I'm still learning just like you guys are. All right, have a good one.